Would you rescue a dog from a foreign country? This is Thor, a dog rescued from Cyprus who found his forever home in England. I spoke to Lindsay Camper, who runs Dog Valley Rescue in Cyprus.
And at the end of the day, we're all working together. It's not
Yeah.
this rescue versus that rescue.
Do you get a lot of people adopting dogs in Cyprus?
People tend to still like the smaller dogs. They don't see big dogs so much as pets. They're still quite associated with the hunting breeds.
A lot of people I hear say, we've got enough dogs in England that need saving. Why would you go to another country and save those dogs? Do you think it's right that people in the UK do continue to adopt dogs?
A lot of dogs go to the UK. A dog is a dog to me. You know, every dog deserves love. It doesn't matter whether it's from 100 miles away or on your doorstep. As long as you're rescuing and not buying.
Emma Stagg adopted Thor from Dog Valley Rescue and shares why she chose a foreign rescue centre.
So much more destruction in the dog world abroad, no animal rights. The rescues are absolutely doing the best. These dogs are in bad ways. How they survive is beyond me. They work miracles. And when they come over here, they deserve the best. I'm so proud of Thor and how far he's come. He's just an absolute joy to walk with now. He's my best friend and I absolutely love him. Don't we? Absolutely love you to bits. Come on, let's go home.